Just okay. Did you have any drinks? What did you dream about? Really? You have a stuffy nose? No. Nose? Do you have boogers? Can you give Mama a besito? Give Mama a besito. Oh, that was a boogery kiss. I love you. Say good morning. Say good morning, everybody. You want to give them a good morning kiss? Oh, that was a good kiss. Another one? That's a very good kiss, Michael. Thank you. You okay? Oh, God bless you. Again? Let me see you. Turn around. Oh, you're the cutest little fox I've ever seen. Hi everyone, good morning. So it's Friday morning, which means for us that it's grocery shopping day. I normally go to 2 different stores, but I think I might go to 3 different stores today, just depending on how timey is and how he's doing. So I wanted to show you guys kind of like how I do my grocery list. I usually buy all meats when they're on sale or like a really good clearance price or something like that. So I have it on my notes. Let me make it a little brighter for you. Okay, so I have it on my notes on my phone. So it just says grocery list. There we go. So it just says grocery list, and then these first ones are just things that I need, but I don't need like right away. But if I find them on sale, I want to buy them. All these little ones right here with the little stars on them, those are my groceries for the week that I need to buy. And then this list down here are meal ideas that I've gotten from like YouTube or Pinterest, or any ideas that I've kind of just thought about, and I jot them down really quick so I don't forget, because I have the worst memory. Anyways, I am full on wearing maternity clothes today. I am currently 4 months pregnant and I'm so excited, and I swear my belly is huge this time around. So I'm full on wearing all of my maternity clothes from when I was pregnant with Michael, and it's like I have a whole new wardrobe. Anyways, let's go inside the grocery store. Grocery store. It's almost 11 o'clock and I am exhausted right now. I feel so tired. We were able to go to 3 different stores. Michael did really good. He did not ask for a snack. He didn't cry. He was just like totally fine. I was so surprised because usually by the second store he's like, get me out of here, I want to go home. But this time he did really good and I was really proud of him. Now I'm tired, so tired. What did you just do? Pick that up. Look at that mess you made. Oh my God. Good thing it's just yogurt. Are you all done? Are you all done? You want to come say hi to everybody? Hi. Right here. Look. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Say, how are you? How are you? Hi, how are you? Hi. So it's almost 11:30, and for the last couple of days my shoulder blade on this side has been killing me, especially right after I do dishes. I don't know why. Michael thinks I shouldn't do dishes anymore,
But I actually really enjoy doing dishes. Is that weird? Any of you guys like that? I actually really enjoy doing dishes, so I'm like, no. But yeah, I might let him do dishes for a couple of days. Go to a doctor's appointment today. I'm gonna tell my doctor about it because it's really been bugging me, and I've been putting like icy hot on it, and it works for a little bit, and it's not constant like all day long, but once it starts, it's like all day. So like in the morning I usually don't have it, and then in the afternoon it comes, and then it stays until the next day. So yeah, so we're taking a break right now because Mama's tired and my shoulder is hurting, and Michael's right here. Say hi, Michael. Hi. Hi. We're watching Smurfs. He has been loving that movie. He loves Coco and Smurfs so far. We don't let him watch too much TV, but when we do, it's something like that. And it's been those two recently. He's been really into those. I'm tired. My arm hurts. And it's almost lunchtime. I'm hungry.
Doctor's appointment. Today I am officially 16 weeks yesterday, which was Thursday. So I'm 16 weeks and a day. And I'm sure we're probably gonna hear the baby's heartbeat. I don't think we'll be able to see him or her today because we had an ultrasound last time, so I don't think we'll be able to see the baby today. But I'm pretty sure we'll be able to hear the heartbeat. And I had to wake Michael up over here. He was like asleep like for over 2 hours, and he seemed like he was so tired, and I didn't want to wake him up, but I had to. I felt so bad. He started crying. You want to say hi?
Hey.
Waiting at the doctor's office. Just waiting here for them to see me. I'm taking a blood test after this though, and they're giving me a shot too.
I wonder if there's any band-aids in here.
Why?
For his knee.
I guess you can ask her. Michael, what are you doing? What are you doing? Who are you calling? Who are you calling? Say hello. Who's there?
Hi.
Hi.
Drop it.
Alright, so we just finished my appointment. Everything was fine. She said I'm gaining a good amount of weight. So far I lost 5 pounds for some odd reason, and now I've gained 2 pounds, so that's good. And I had a blood draw, so right here. And Michael was holding my hand the whole time because he says I'm scared of shots, so he was having the baby hold my hand the whole time, which was pretty cute. And did she say anything else? No, everything was fine, everything was normal.
Yeah, we brought up a couple concerns that we were thinking about, but besides that, everything was fine.
Yeah. I told her about my shoulder and she didn't say anything about it. She just said icy hot, so I'm gonna continue doing that and we'll see what happens. I'm hoping it goes away soon because I'm so over it. And because I had a good weight gain and it wasn't horribly bad, we're gonna get McDonald's. Michael, you scared me.
Relax.
We're gonna get McDonald's because I have not had McDonald's in the longest time, and for some reason all I'm craving, well, it's not a crave, it's not a pregnancy crave, it's just Blanca wanting it. I want their french fries. So, why are you laughing?
That's a pregnancy crave.
It's not a craving, it's just a Blanca craving.
You've been thinking about it for 2 days. You want it, it's a craving, right?
I've also been thinking about hot Cheetos for like a week.
And do you have some in the house?
No, I don't.
Whose fault is that?
Yours.
So we're back home now. We had some McDonald's, which was delicious, and I definitely like ate more than I should have. And I actually wanted to show you guys a couple of things. First of all, I was gonna say my parents, my in-laws, Michael's parents went to Canada and to Alaska, and they brought us back a couple of goodies, and I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff they brought back because it's super cute. So they brought Michael these little vans. They're like dinosaurs and they're so cute. And then they also went to Canada. So this is from Alaska, a pair of socks. These are so cute. And then they went to Canada and they brought him this little jersey. And then this one right here. Isn't it cute? I don't know if it's like a team or just like the Canadian colors, but I just think it's so cool. Are any of you guys from Canada or Alaska? Michael and I want to go to Alaska, but it's too expensive right now. But what I wanted to show you guys was this little thing right here. So I actually told Michael about these because I wanted to buy one, but they're really expensive. Basically what it is, it's like a toddler like kitchen helper. So Michael would climb up right here and then be in here and be able to help me on the kitchen counter without, you know, falling or getting hurt or anything, because it's like a little step stool, if you guys can see that. Anyways, they sell them online and they're like $150, $100 and something. Anyways, I couldn't find a cheap one, but I think IKEA has like something where you can like build, you put two things together and then it makes that. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but they have something like that. But Michael started looking up these different designs online and found that, and he started building it and he totally did it. It looks really good. And then he just painted it white and it looks super good. Michael loves it so far. And yeah, I'm super excited for it because he hates like when I'm doing something on the counter and he can't see, like he gets really frustrated. So I think that is gonna keep him entertained for a little bit longer, maybe, I don't know. But I also think it's gonna cause a lot of issues because now I feel like my counters need to be cleaned all the time because he's just gonna grab something and like do something with it, you know? Especially like sharp objects like a knife or scissors or anything like that. I need to make sure those are off the counter because he will totally grab them. Did you fart on Daddy's hand? You farted on Daddy's hand? How did you fart? Huh? I need some help. So, I got these bananas. They're already turning black. I got these bananas over a week ago. And they're not turning yellow. I bought these bananas today and they were green and now they're turning yellow. I don't know what to do. So if you guys have recommendations on what I can do to make them yellow, I don't think they're good anymore. I don't know if I should just toss them. I don't even know if they're good if I freeze them. He wanted to throw the diaper away and you threw it away for him.
Throw it away. Thank you.
Can you throw the trash out for me when you get a chance? Wow, you're doing it right now? I should film you all the time then.
What are you trying to say?
You know what I'm trying to say. You know. Can you take that box right there to the Stitchfix box?
Oh my God, I did everything!
Yeah.
Open the door.
Did you get the trash from the bathroom too?
No, I didn't. Open the door.
No, that's not. Oh, come talk to the baby. Come talk to the baby. Come say hi, baby.
Hi.
Say hi, baby. How are you?
Hi.
Say I love you. Oh, like an elbow straight on my bladder. You're showing the baby the blog? Wow, the baby likes the blog. Show the baby a book. Show the baby a book. A book?
Book.
Yeah.
Baby.
Yeah.
Book.
Why don't you give baby besito? Say, I'm Michael.
Apple.
Say, I love you. Ombligo. Say, I love you, baby. Oh!
That hurt.
Michael, show the baby daddy. Show the baby who daddy is. Show the baby who daddy is. The baby doesn't know who daddy is. Show the baby who daddy is.
Daddy.
trying to turn me so he can, the baby can see you. Show the baby who
I
Daddy is.
see. Hi. Yeah, buddy. Yes, Daddy. Yes, yes.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's almost 8 o'clock. Michael is going off to bed right after his bath. And Michael and I usually stay up a little later on the weekend. Michael usually plays video games and I just get on my laptop and edit and watch Criminal Minds because I'm obsessed. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. And if you did, I hope that you'll subscribe. And I don't know what I'm doing with my head. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Give them besito. Say night night. Say bye, Dad.
Bye.
Bye.